good morning, cyber traders. Welcome back. Hopefully everybody enjoyed their lovely weekend. Let me just get a little chat back if everybody can hear loud and clear. Good to see you all. All right. Good morning, everybody. All right. Good. All right. Just do a quick little audio check once again. Can everybody hear me okay? Good morning, Michael. It's good to see you, Chuck. Good to see you, everybody. Welcome back, Cyber Trading University members. Hopefully everybody had a nice long weekend. I had a great weekend until I blew out my back over the weekend. So I hate to say it, I have to go see an orthopedic in a little while. Let me tell you, I don't know what. You know, one thing I learned that someone always taught me is that the mind makes you think like you could still do it, but the body, when you get our age, doesn't work so well. So I'll be able to take care of that. I got to go take care of something with my back. That's terrible. So it's very painful to sit down. But, you know, I'm here. That's all that matters. As long as I can still trade and my fingers work, my mouth works, that's all that matters. Anyway, we have a nice little runner right now that is going on with ACRS. So nice little trade, nice little move right here. I know a lot of you guys jumped in it early this morning. We found it right around 8 o'clock this morning. It was on the watch list, the morning watch list. You could see how the stock had a really, really nice little pop right here, right at, you know, you could see at 8:15. And right, it went from 9 all the way to 12. Nice little move, did a little bit of shake. Nasty stock, though. It is a level 4. But we're going to come back and check back with this stock. But before we do that, I want to go to find out what is moving this morning. So a couple of stocks that we have that before we start getting into that, I want to talk about what happened on Friday. So we had a couple of nice movers on Friday. Hold on a second. Let me just bring up my watch list that we had. So a couple of stocks that we had that made some really, really nice moves. I want to start off with the ACER. Now, a lot of these stocks also are starting to take off and start moving this morning too. Some of them gapped up. We had really good swing trades on some of them. Remember, to be a good swing trader, you got to day trade first. So ACER had a really nice move from $2 to $4. Nice little mover on that one. SRNE is another one on Friday. Let me just fix this chart so you guys can see a little bit better. 10-minute chart. There you go. So you could see that this stock is gapped up again from Friday and going into today. But this one went from 850 to 950. Another really nice move. FRSX, another one that we trade on Friday, gapped up again. Stock went from 4 to 9. You could see and that's basically what happened the last couple of days. And on Friday, you could see it ran from 7 to about almost $9 there. And last but not least, it was a really nice short on the CRDF. So that was a really, really nice short. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the short off that one because my broker already gave out my shorts. Remember, a brokerage firm could only give you a short if they have the stock and inventory. If everybody eats up all their inventory, you know, remember they passed a rule, you can't do naked shorts. And, you know, but I know some of you brokers, some of you have different brokerage accounts and, you know, able to get it. I personally couldn't get it, but that was such a beautiful short. All right. So going on this morning, what we got going on, let's go through the watch list and see what we have. Well, first of all, hopefully everybody had a nice little reboot over the weekend. I know I did, other than getting injured. But today, you know, being a Tuesday, big holiday, Martin Luther King Day, and, you know, what happens is that a lot of stocks are not going to come out with big news, even though we're up about 200 points right now. And we had a really nice little rally, but then Friday started to reverse. You know, we're finding out that, you know, you don't want to get too cocky on a day like today. So that's why you're not going to see a lot of earnings announcements and so on. The one thing that really concerns me, though, I do want to point out is that obviously tomorrow is a very, very big day. It's Inauguration Day. And you hear the security everywhere. It's going on. I don't know what the hell they're expecting, but it's like the end of the world. I don't know what's going on over there. But I don't think you're going to see anything crazy going on until tomorrow because I know Wall Street wants to see what he has to say in his inauguration and what he wants to pass, what kind of executive orders they like to do once they step into that office and go from there. So you're going to see a lot of little changes that might happen tomorrow. You might get some volatility. The thing that really scares me, though, is at the end of last week, we had a lot of banks that came out with earnings, and a lot of them didn't do too well. So they started backing off. The banks are always a good foundation of the financial district because they're the ones giving the mortgages. They're the ones that are, you know, lending the money out. So if they're, you know, they beat earnings or something like that, but their projections were off or something like that. So banks, we want to be really, very careful. They could be the foundation of what's going on. So we'll keep a close eye on those stocks and see if it continues. But a lot of the small stocks that we did pretty well, the swing trades, the pot stocks are doing pretty well. A lot of the gambling stocks are doing pretty well. So, but there's a whole list of other ones that are moving also. So let's go through that watch list and see what we got going on. So let's start off with the ACRS trade. So that one, you can see it's already at $13. So this thing is moving unbelievable. Since we started this morning meeting, you could see the stock literally just ran a buck. Okay. Decent spread. It's not a level 1. You know, I give it more of a level 4. Stock is pretty volatile, so be very, very careful. You got to be an advanced trader to trade this stock. I know some of you guys are still holding it, but you could see the thing is breaking a nice little mover right there. Another one that made my watch list on the A list is the TENX. That's moving pretty decently in the pre-market. As of right now, the only one that's really exciting, which a lot of you are doing very well since being here since 8 in the morning, which some of you, just let you know, it's 9 o'clock in the morning here at Eastern Standard Time. We do a lot of pre-market trading here at CTU, but not all of them are that volatile. But this one right here, the TENX, decent, flat. I might move it to the B list, but you can see it's got a really nice spread, cheap little stock. It's got some good iceberg orders, kind of like that stock right there. ABSV, another one we found here in pre-market. Flat line, though, not really moving, but look at that long-term chart. Look, the one on the right. Look at the daily chart. Stock was a $2 stock. The next day, it went to 280, gapped up, opened at 3, went to 4. Look where it is now, up to 5. So here we have something that's moving really, really nicely. Don't like the trend right now in pre-market, but you got some big iceberg orders. You can see on the right-hand side, you got a nice 22,000 share buyer sitting here at 485, which kind of explains why it's not breaking any lows. That's a very, very important support level. Remember, what makes support levels are buyers. All right. Another stock. Let's go hop over here on the B list. GRTS. Nice trend. Great swing trade. Gapping up every day. You could see the stock back in January. It was at $3. In December, it was just at 3, 4, 5, 6, 650 yesterday. It's at 950. Stock is obviously whatever is out there. The news on it. They love it. Now, as a day trade, one thing that scares me, spread looks pretty big right now. I'm not seeing too many iceberg orders out there at level 3. So, once again, not a category 1. Probably another 4. NERV, here's another one. Cheap stock, decent spread. Stock took a big hit from $4 down to $2, and it's starting to go up a little bit now. Now it's gapped up about 37% this morning. Got a nice little order out there that's holding it right around the 375. If it holds there, I mean, the stock could make a big move. It was really nice early, but now she's kind of flatlined. So, like I said, when the market opens up, there's a whole new orders that could probably rally this. So I'm not a big buyer now, but I definitely want to see how she opens up. That is, we also got the GE. By the way, a lot of these stocks I'm calling out, you could see they had really, really nice runs up. I mean, here, GEVO, great day trade. Now it became a swing trade. $2, $3, $4. I mean, from December, now it's already at almost 9. So nice little swing trade right there. As a day trade, she's like the other two, very flat right now. CRNT, same exact thing. Just Friday, $3 to $6. Came right back up 29%, 2.5 million shares already traded. Yes, that is in pre-market. Not seeing a lot of sellers out there. Look at the level 3. A lot of spottiness in each price level. Very small tier sizes. But when you look over here on the blue side, look at all those buyers. So that stock could be a very attractive one at the open too. And last but not least, this one obviously, I've been talking to my friends over the weekend, family members. I don't know how these movie theaters are going to make out, okay? But AMC got a nice little move right there. I'm sitting there watching TV over the weekend, and I'm seeing that now you get motion pictures that are coming on Netflix and the Disney Plus and all them. So, listen, it's very expensive to run these AMC movie theaters. They are monsters, right? but I don't know if they're really going to. It's up today. I'm not going to take my personal feelings against it. I like the movie theaters, but they're not doing too well with COVID. It had some big support levels right around $2, and you can see she's gapped up a little bit. Listen, it's not a long-term play; it's a short-term play. Day traders is what we're looking at. You could see there are a hell of a lot of orders out there. Listen, look right there in the middle. Stock traded over 13 million shares already. It's not even 9:30. Okay, we're only 15 minutes, a little bit more than 15 minutes before the open. There's a lot of outstanding shares in the stock, so it's a scalping type of stock. So just be very, very careful. So listen, it's not the greatest days on a Tuesday. It's usually typically like a Monday, and having a big holiday week, that also could kind of put a wrench into it. So don't get too cocky on the Mondays. Hopefully everybody's doing what we taught you here at CyberTrade University. Get one of your big calendars, write down the days that you're making money. And then when you look at your calendar, you can say, oh, now I know where I'm at, what days I'm making money, what days I'm losing money. And that's also being a student, you know that we give you those journals. And it's really cool how they work. But you gotta keep track of journaling yourself. And as a student here, we watch you, we trade with you. We want to make sure you know not how to make money, how to control those losses. And actually, today is Tuesday. We know what Tuesday is here at CTU. It's Traders Talk Day with Josh. So if you're a part of this CyberTrade University trading room, we're gonna pick up. We're gonna do that. I think it's 11 o'clock that we have it. So that is always a very, very big event here at CyberTrade University. And then also one more last announcement. 2 big events. We got classes to start this week. So we'll remind all the students, and I'll be on Wealth 365. So on Thursday, which is a very big event, we're gonna have thousands, tens of thousands of people going to be there. Don't miss out on it. I know it starts this week. Hopefully you guys had that chance to register with the link that we sent out. Now, if you're new here to CTU, hopefully you spoke to your traders, your education advisor. He told you a little bit about it. Like we always tell everybody that are new here, please do not buy anything we trade. We didn't teach you. You don't know what's going on. You're just here to watch. And if you're watching on YouTube, just like us, friend us. You can do a $9 trial and see what it is. Be here for a whole week and see how we get in and out of them. All right, guys. So listen, good luck. Happy trading. We got about a little less than 15 minutes before the market opens up, and we'll start commentating there. If you're watching us on YouTube, Facebook Live, we'll see you back here at 2:30. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading. Be safe.